What do you think, Steve?
It's going to be a good day.
Yeah, we're taking the foxbody home, right?
Yep.
Alright, cool. We're going to inventory parts. We're going to unhook the trailer. We're going to get the engine loaded up, and then we're going to push the car on the trailer.
That's the plan.
There she sits in the Connex. Well, we got the car out of the container. It's up on the trailer. I can honestly say, compared to the 67, this thing is light as a feather. Really excited to get this thing back to Steven's place and unload it. And we're going to inventory all the parts and show you guys what we've got. And we'll talk a little bit more about the build itself. There she is. She's going home. Washing off all the dirt. Been sitting in storage for like what, 4 years? Be the first batch it's had in a while.
Well, that was stupid. I wasn't actually recording.
It wasn't recording?
I hit the button, but I guess it wasn't done booting up yet.
So I need to talk to it still?
Yeah, talk to it again.
Just for the record, this is not a normal practice by me. I would never put a brush on a freshly painted car. We don't do scratches, we hand wash. But we gotta wash a bunch of dirt off of this thing so we can wrap it. I'm getting my pants all wet.
We can spray you off too. It's all good.
I think it was gray. It just looks like. Well, we made it to Steven's house. We're going to unload the car and we're going to take some inventory of all the parts that we've got. Yeah, really excited to dig into this thing, man, see what we can come up with. So we know we need a transmission and a carburetor. We don't know exactly what route we're going yet, but we're going to discuss that here in a little bit. So stay tuned. Gone. off the trailer. We're gonna put the motor on the motor stand and take a look at the contents here. Steven's getting all set up. Steven's getting the bracket mounted up here, and we're gonna flip this thing over and find out what's inside it. Pretty nice stuff in them holes, huh?
Yeah.
$351. So we've got a comp cam here for this $351. All the specs there on it. We're gonna put this. We're gonna try and keep everything comp cam, right, Steven?
Yeah, I think so.
You pumped to build a high performance motor?
We're gonna have to send this to the machine shop at least, though. Get those polished up.
Okay.
See that rust on there?
Yeah, we can get that fixed. No big deal.
We'll get that polished out.
So what do you think, Steven? What's your plan?
All that stuff that's inside and laying over there needs to go in here.
That's fair. We're gonna paint the engine bay. We're gonna clean things up.
We're gonna get rid of this flaky paint.
Right. What'd you say? We're gonna try and do manual rack steering and manual brakes.
Yeah, I think so.
Be much more better. The interior of the car needs love, but not a big deal. We will get it going. Dash is all there. That's what's important, because we want to make a street car out of this thing. Well, we got a bunch of parts with the car. A lot of stuff we're going to need to complete things. We got some long tube headers, Victor Jr. Edelbrock intake, nice radiator, some exhaust stuff, extra dash.
Some nice comp cam rockers.
Yeah, man, we did get some nice parts. Really excited to hear this thing run for the first time, right? That'd be cool. Gonna make some noise. So we got a question for everybody in the audience. We're gonna wrap this car. We haven't really decided what color we want to do yet, so we want to get everybody's opinion, what they think. Drop a comment. What color?
Vote purple. I want purple.
Yeah, Steven's a big advocate for purple. I am too. I wouldn't be mad if we did purple. We're talking about red, maybe orange. I don't know.
Actually, Aaron really likes yellow.
No, we're not doing any yellow. So the first person that says yellow, you're getting banned. No yellow. Yellow is not an option.
I'm thinking like this yellow.
Not school bus yellow either. Yeah, we got to get that stuff cleaned up. She's got a few rust spots, but we'll get that handled. Steven's going to start tearing apart that engine bay and getting it prepped for paint. And then I have sold the 67 Mustang, and we're going to start acquiring parts for this thing, so hopefully we can make it run by the end of July. That would be good.
Race car.
We appreciate everybody watching our shenanigans. Get on Steven's channel, Ford Tech Steve. Subscribe to his channel. You guys are going to see a ton of the mechanical work done on his channel. I probably won't post a ton of stuff, maybe a few updates here and there. Probably the next update you'll see is when we put the engine in or something like that. But he's going to have all the mechanical updates. Go see his channel. We appreciate everybody.